Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write essay on my favorite subject, science. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, science is my favorite subject. Second line is, it helps me understand the world around me. Third line is, I love learning how things work from tiny atoms to giant planets. Fourth line is, in science class, we do fun experiments that make learning exciting. Fifth line is, I enjoy mixing chemicals, watching reactions, and observing changes. Sixth line is, science teaches me about plants, animals, and my own body. Seventh line is, it explains why seasons change, how planets grow, and what makes machines work. Eighth line is, the best part is that science answers the why questions I always have. Ninth line is, it makes me curious and helps me think clearly. Last line, that is line number 10 is, it is a way to explore our amazing world for which I love it so much.